Okay, I have another wonderful effect by Werner Miller. So as you can see, I have the ace through 5 of hearts and the ace through 5 of spades. And the spectator is free to choose either set to be theirs. But before we do that, we're going to do something very important. So you need to watch this and kind of visualize what we've done. I'm going to take the 3 of hearts from their packet and switch it with the 3 of spades in my packet. Okay, so right now the 3 of spades is surrounded by the hearts, and the 3 of hearts is surrounded by spades. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll just turn those face down. Now this is kind of a do as I do routine, so I'm going to perform some simple actions and I'll just have you mimic those same actions. Okay, so let me just show you. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put the top card under, and then I'm going to flip and set down the next card, under, and then flip down the next, and then set the remaining 3 cards down. You just need to repeat what I did. So under, and then flip down, under, flip down, and then set down your remaining 3. And now I'm going to set my little packet on top of your tabled cards, and you're going to set yours on top of my tabled cards, and we'll do that procedure a second time. So it's going to be under, flip down, under, flip down, set the remaining cards down, and then you do the same, under, flip down, under, flip down. And as before, I'll set my cards on top of yours. You set yours on top of mine, and then we'll perform it just one final time. Okay? So I'll pick up my packet, under, flip down, under, flip down, set down the remaining cards. You do the same, under, flip down, under, flip down, set down your remaining cards. And now my cards get set on top of your tabled cards, and your remaining cards get set on top of my tabled cards. Okay? So let's just take a look at what we've accomplished in doing that. Oh, check that out. Check that out. We have them back in order within each packet. Check that out. But we have flipped face down the 3 in each of these. Isn't that amazing? So the 3 of spades was in the middle but face up. Now it's face down. And then here the 3 of hearts was in the middle. It was face up, but now it's face down. Isn't that amazing? What's that? You actually want to see the face down cards? I don't know why you'd want to, but wait a second. What is going on here? Okay, my mind's blown, guys. You saw me switch those 3s. The 3 of hearts was up here. 3 of spades was down here. And this crazy procedure just flipped each of those. But I don't know how in the world they switch places. That is unbelievable. And I promise you there was no sneaky sleight of hand anywhere in that routine. That is inexplicable. Okay, so how does this work? Well, you just do everything I did and it will work for you perfectly. Okay, so I'll leave it at that. Just go through what I showed you, and this is going to work out exactly as demonstrated here. So this is another wonderful card effect by Werner Miller, and I'll add a link in the description below to the ebook from which this effect was taken, and that ebook will have many other amazing card effects that you can do right away that require no sleight of hand whatsoever. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.